Hey everybody, it's Chris here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to double the income from your mortgage business. And it's actually very simple because there's only 3 ways to grow your mortgage business. You've got your past customer database and your centers of influence. You've got your real estate referral partners or financial planners, insurance advisors, all of those wonderful people. And then you have marketing and advertising. And those are the 3 main pillars that you have. So if you take a look at the video that we did yesterday, we walked through how to set your target income for your business. So you look at the lifestyle that you want to lead, you figure out how much all that stuff is going to cost, and then you assign a monthly number to the amount of money that you need in order to net after taxes and insurance and all of that wonderful stuff in order to live your lifestyle. And then we said, okay, well, how many deals do we have to do every year in order to hit that goal? Now, this worksheet here then helps you to take that plan and turn it into an actual step-by-step plan for your mortgage business so that you know the activities that you need to do every single month in order to hit the income target that you want. And in our example, we came out with 108 deals per year to reach the income target of roughly $350,000 a year, which we saw from, we used to do live events where we were going across the country doing live events. And that was kind of like the perfect income that we got back from the people that we pulled at those live events. So that's what we've kind of structured this whole thing about. Now, there are very specific activities that you need to do in your business in order to hit this particular goal. So you can see under funnel number 1, I have 24 deals associated to your past clients. Now, that is basically 5% of whatever your database size is. If you've got 100 past customers, you should be doing 5 deals a quarter from that database. That should get you to roughly 20 deals a year if you've got 100 past customers. Now, how do you actually get those deals? Well, the easiest way is to call your database. Now, there's all kinds of other ways to go out and do that, but we have a process that we've perfected that's called the database activator. Here's how it works. It's 4 messages sent out over 4 days to the database, and you do that quarterly. Now, the reason why I say monthly is most of our clients that come to us where we're calling the database for them, will take the entire database size and we'll break it down over 3 months so that we're calling the entire database over 3 months, and then we start over again and we start calling with a new script, and we're just consistently calling the database. And the reason why we do that is so that you're not inundated with all of this business in one big chunk, which leads to processing issues. And it's an actual flow in the business. Now, if you would like us to call your past customer database for you and convert them with our database activator plan, you can go to applicationappointments.com to get the full details on that program. So obviously we call them, but then what we do is if they don't return the call and they don't pick up the call, we text them the next day automatically using our software. If they don't respond to the text, which is where most of the response comes right now. So if you're calling your past customer database and you're not texting them after you make that phone call, you're leaving the majority of the money on the table right now with your database marketing. If you're even doing your database marketing, if you're not making calls to your database, you're leaving all of the money on the table. And those are the easiest to get deals with the highest return on investment and the easiest to work with customers with the best credit. So if you're not calling your database, go to applicationappointments.com, buy that program. It's just a no-brainer for you to have in your business. Every single mortgage business should be doing that. Whether you do it with us or whether you do it yourself, even if you do it with another company, please do it because that is going to help increase your business, right? So on day 1, we call them. On day 2, we text them. On day 3, they get an email from us. And if they don't respond back then, on day 4, we send them a ringless voicemail in your voice. Now, the reason why we do that is because that's 4 different communication channels. Some people like to talk on the phone, so they'll call us back. Most people like to text. Some people like to email. And then the ringless voicemail is just to wrap it all together in order to let them know, like, that's the last message you're going to be reaching out. Now, we've got an amazing script that builds rapport, works deals that come out of the database, and also generates referrals in the future. Now, the other cool thing that we're doing with that, if you've been watching our training at business marketing classes, we are retargeting those people with ads on Google and YouTube and Facebook and Instagram in order to get you even more referrals over time. But calling them is the main thing. So your first funnel in your business should be dedicated to your past clients and going out and converting them. And you should be converting at least 5% of whatever your database size is in new business quarterly in your business. If you're not, that's where you start. If you want an easy button where we will do it for you, go to applicationappointments.com. Okay. Now, funnel number 2 is your referral partners. Now, if you want to do 48 deals a year, you basically need to get 8 real estate referral partners. Okay. Super easy to do. And that's just math. And the math that we've done there is that the average real estate referral partner should refer you 6 deals a year or a deal every other month. So for every 2 realtor referral partners that you get to refer you new business, you're bolting 1 deal a month into your business, right? So if you get 8 new real estate referral partners, that adds up to 48 deals a year. Now, obviously, you might do better than that because you might get some whales in there or just some top producers that send you even more than that. But you may also have some other businesses that you're nurturing and you're helping them grow their business. But either way, it's going to average out to about 6 deals per year per referral partner that you have. And that way you have control over your referral marketing and you know how many realtor partners you actually need to have in your business. And now the way that you go out and get those referral partners, and my favorite way to do it, is what I call the irresistible offer. And what you do is you call out to the realtor and you say, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Realtor, look, I know you already have to refer your business out to 3 loan officers and you already have those 3 loan officers and you're not interested in working with another one. I get that. I don't want any of your existing business. What I would love to help you with is to convert more of the leads that you've already paid for in your business into pre-approvals. Give me those leads. My system, my concierge team, will turn those leads into pre-approved deals. I will refer them back to you, and I only want the opportunity to work the business that I bring to you. Does that sound fair? This is a highly attractive offer to top producers and realtors that have very large businesses that are looking to grow aggressively because they've already spent the money on the ads. They've already acquired the leads. They already know they have a problem that they're not converting enough of them. You've got a better offer for that lead because you're going to reach out about getting them approved for a mortgage, not trying to sell them the house that they opted in on. And you've got a better follow-up system. Now, the follow-up system that I'm referencing is our Connect My Lead system or our application appointments program, where we will actually call the realtors and book you appointments with your realtors. And then when the realtors give you their leads, we are going to do the follow-up sequences to convert the leads into application appointments for you. It is quite literally the easiest way available to go out and get top quality realtor referral partners, get their leads for free, and get paid in order to convert new realtor referral partners. So if you would like my team of concierge agents to call your list of realtors, book you appointments using the irresistible offer, and then have us convert the leads that you get from the irresistible offer, go to applicationappointments.com right now, sign up for that program, and we're going to get you results in your business. So that's funnel number 2, referral partners. Again, whether you decide to do it with us or you decide to do it on your own, it's got to get done. That's the second greatest growth driver that exists in a mortgage business, right? And then the third funnel that you can use to hit your income goal and the lifestyle that you want to live in your business is going direct to market. Now, I'm going to kind of blow this up a little bit because I know everybody's out there selling Facebook and Instagram funnels to cold traffic and all that wonderful stuff. Well, I've run a digital marketing agency in the mortgage industry for over 12 years right now, so I should be the guy that's telling you should be running Facebook and Instagram ads to order. But that's cold traffic. Those are the hardest to convert leads. They've got the worst credit, and they're the hardest people to deal with. And I'm not saying that it doesn't work, okay? Absolutely, you can run a funnel, you can scale it, it can be very profitable, but it's the hardest way to do it. The easiest way to go out and get a client from direct to market advertising is by promoting your Google My Business page on the front page of Google. There's a couple of reasons why. The first is buyer intent. When somebody goes to Google and types in mortgage lender or loan officer or mortgage broker, they're looking for you. They're not browsing around on social media and being interrupted with an ad. They're actively searching for a solution to a problem. Most often, that problem is they've been referred to a lender and they didn't like them, or they've been to a bank and they didn't trust them, or whatever it is, but they've gone to Google and they've typed in best mortgage lender near me, or mortgage lender near me, or just mortgage lender or loan officer. They're actively searching you out, which means they're trying to do a deal right now, which means they've probably got good credit and they can afford a house. They want to do something right away, and they want to speak to somebody who's reputable in the marketplace. So what you do is you take your Google My Business profile. While we're calling your past customer database for you, we ask in the script for 5-star ratings and reviews on your Google My Business profile. We boost as many 5-star reviews on your Google profile as we possibly can, and then we use this brand new feature that Google has announced where we can actually take that Google My Business profile and have it showing up on the front page of Google the next day using advertisements. That's right. Google now allows us to expand the map placement in your local marketplace from 3 businesses to 4 businesses. You are the 4th business, and you show up right at the top with all your ratings and reviews. We have a client of ours, Mike Durr, and he reports that he's closing 1 out of every 4 phone calls that he gets from the front page of Google. He says that the leads are just as good as a lead that he gets from a realtor referral partner, and his closing ratio is almost identical to that. That's almost unheard of for online leads. They're the best quality leads that you can possibly get. So if you're going direct to market, or if you're buying leads, or you're trying to get funnels to work, a Google funnel that promotes your Google ratings and reviews is absolutely the first funnel that you should be running. And those are the 3 pathways that we've got to help you hit your income target in your mortgage business. And right now, we can do all of that for you. This is a simple, easy button. When you go to applicationappointments.com and you invest today, we will call your past customer database for you and convert you more deals, and do it in a way where it builds your brand, it builds rapport with your past clients, and everybody has a phenomenal experience. We will call your realtor list. We will actually book you appointments with realtors that have already been given the irresistible offer. So they're showing up expecting to give their database of old leads to you so that you can work them for free, turn them into deals, and refer them back to them. Those leads that you get from the realtor, we will work the leads, turn them into application appointments, and all you've got to do is show up on the application appointment, get the applicant to give you the application, and then refer that client back to the realtor. And then while we're calling your database, we're going to pump up your 5-star reviews on Google and then build the advertising campaign that you need in order to get on the front page and get funnel 3 working. This is hands down the most ridiculous offer that we've put together here at Connection Inc. And I cannot wait for you to experience and see what's on the other side of it. So go ahead right now, go to applicationappointments.com, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the other side. My name is Chris Johnstone. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and we'll talk soon.